I have to admit, that's a pretty cute little buggy sitting over there. So I was watching one of Musty's videos this morning, and he had all his equipment in his driveway, you know, lawnmowers and this and that. And I told him spring, the time when mechanical objects come out to play, which is kind of what's going on here. We got the Volkswagen out, we got the Ford out, we got the other Volkswagen out, we got pieces and parts all over the backyard. Yep, springtime, all the little animals come out to play. All right, let's get the wheels off of this baby.